Yo, what's up, YouTubers? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. I'm your host, KJ. Without further ado, let's jump into the portfolio. As you can see tonight, the market's turned back on. And just like I told y'all, I was hoping you guys listened to me from the closing of Friday. Now it's Sunday night, and the market's open Eastern time, 8 o'clock, the market's open up. And as you can tell, look at the portfolio. I'm already up 0.47% on today, which brings me to a $255.65 upwards. The portfolio is sitting at $54,908. Now, I got $215 in buying power. Interest occurred this month so far is $1.14. Cash earning interest is still going to be at $370.69. Cryptos, I got 101 shares of crypto USDC. I got a smidge of the AVAC, and I had some Ethereum, sold them for a profit. Now, look at these big boy blue chips I've been telling you guys about. Buy and hold big boy blue chips is my strategy. I'm getting a lot of comments in a lot of my videos about what's your strategy, why you don't sell options, why you don't do covered calls, why you don't buy contracts. And guys, the answers are going to be the same because that's just not my strategy. That can be your strategy if that's what you decide to do. And I get so many people telling me, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to you, KJ, but I feel like you could make so much more money if you did this and if you did that. Hey, that's fine, man. I understand. I appreciate it. I really do. And continue to comment me about how you feel. That's great. But like I said, personal finance is personal. So my strategy is my strategy, and it's been working for me. As you can tell, all my positions are up in the green. The market just reopened, and all my positions are up right now. Look at the portfolio. The only thing that's not up is Sirius Satellite Radio, and that was free to me anyway. I never even bought it. So what I'm saying is, my strategy is what's working for me. It's got me to a 6-figure net worth, and it's going to get me to a 7-figure and an 8-figure net worth. That's what I'm working towards, and that's what's been working for me. So I'm working my strategy. All right. Investment number one I want to show you tonight that's going to get me out the job and into wealth right now is going to be, you already know, the first one is my foundational ETF. SPLG. It's the SPDR S&P 500 trading at $68.52 right now. And we're up in the position. I got 169 shares. You guys know I buy shares of this every single week. I'm growing this in my portfolio to a designated share size. And so until we get there, I'm going to continue to pour in to this particular stock. Market value is $11,587.48. Average cost was $62.09. I already have a total return overall of $1,086.68. That is 10.35% increase. SPLG, my foundational ETF. Okay, we're going to go ahead without further ado. We're going to jump into the next. Nvidia. Nvidia is trading at $142.65 right now. I got 54 shares in this particular part of my portfolio of Nvidia. Market value is $7,805.19. Average cost is $118.26. Total return, $1,334.63, or I'm up 20.63% in this position. Nvidia is banging right now. I'm up 20.58% in this position. Now, once I flip it over to the traditional IRA, you guys, buying power is $17,920.57. The traditional IRA is sitting at $43,595.41. I'm up in this position $177.57, or 0.41%. I wanted to just jump over here real quick to show you Nvidia over here. Same thing, $142.60. But I have 150 more shares of Nvidia. Market value $21,390 on the nose. Average cost is only $109.98. Look at my total return. Total return is $4,892 and some change. So, and just like that, it just changed because the markets are moving. But I'm up 29.67%. So that's about 30%, man. Let's just be honest. That's a 30% return on my money with Nvidia. Nvidia is a big, heavy banger in my portfolio. Combined is over 204 shares of Nvidia, and I'm up over 30 to 40% in this position. Now, back to this. That was number 2. Number 3 investment that's going to help me get to where I want to go. It's going to be here. Apple. Apple is trading at $232 right now and 65 cents. I got 22 shares of Apple. Market value is $5,134.25. Average cost is $175.77. I bought Apple back in the beginning of the year, and I've held on to it while it was low. So now it can trade at a premium. I'm reaping the rewards of it. Total return, $1,255.15, or I'm up 32.36% in Apple. Man, I wish I would have bought more. But now what I need to do, and what I'm continuing to do, is dollar cost averaging in to Apple to build up more on that share size. And number 4 stock that's helping me get the freedom, Walmart. Walmart is a value company, but is also high growth as well right now. And just look at the graph on Walmart right now. Look at that line graph. We're up. Walmart is trading at $82.73. I got 106 shares of Walmart, and that number continues to grow every week. Market value of $8,793.08. Average cost was $56.50. Excuse me. And total return is going to be $2,787.53. Guys, I'm going to say that number again. Total return for Walmart is $2,787.53. That is a whopping 46.42% increase. Guys, I almost have a 50% return on my investment in Walmart. Wow. And you talking about mega cap, getting rich, heavy duty. Yes, sir. So, yeah, guys, those are 4 of my top investments right now. And I have plenty more in the portfolio that's making me a significant amount of money, like SCHD. If you look at that, I'm up 8.24% in there. Other things like FTEC, which I'm definitely buying more of that. I'm up 14.70% in FTEC. That's a major ETF that's going to help us get to freedom. Even Meta. I got Meta, guys. I haven't been talking about Meta lately, but I'm up 14.42% even in Meta. The Mag 7, guys. Alphabet, which is Google. I will show you Google right here. Alphabet Class A. I'm up 15.63% right here. A total return of $286.38. So, yeah, I'm telling you guys, I've been making some very, very smart investments. Look at Amazon. Amazon is up right now, 18.87% up in Amazon. That's almost 20% return. So like I said, guys, not to brag. I'm not doing this to brag or boast, so I'm going to stop right there. But I just wanted to show you my top 4 stocks that's helping me get the wealth, as well as the remainder of my portfolio. This whole portfolio is designed to get to wealth, and I've already hit my first 6 figures, and I'm gonna use this portfolio to help get to 7 figures and then 8 figures. Right now we're sitting at an all-time high of $98,518.85 in the portfolio. I also have another $5,300 in the Fidelity portfolio. So that gives me a total of $103,000 and almost $104,000 total in my portfolios. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, give me a comment down in the comment box below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. But as far as you guys go that talks about the options trading and things like that, like I said, I've been having a lot of people telling me what I ought to do and should do. Hey, I appreciate your concern. I appreciate what you think. Continue to write, continue to talk about it, continue to do what you do with these videos and enjoy the content. But you guys can do all the option trading that you want. I'm not saying nothing against that. I'm not stopping you, but that's your strategy and you're comfortable with that. So you should do your strategy. But for me, I'm comfortable putting my hard-earned cash that I work for into an investment that has data to support the returns. I'm a guy that wants to make every dollar count. I don't want to be out here trying to count every dollar. I want to make every dollar count. So what that means is I want to put my money to work for me while I sleep. I want to be able to put my money into something that's going to multiply my money while I sleep. So if you can make money work for you while you sleep, you won't have to work for money forever. But if you don't, and if you're constantly losing money, then you'll always be working for money. So guys, that's just a bit of a heads up and why I do what I do. I don't really mess with the option trading. I know about options. I know about contracts. I know about how to go about doing these puts and calls and all that. But that's just not my cup of tea. Maybe one day I'll try it out on here just to humor myself. But until then, man, we're building wealth over here. KJD Investor over and out. I appreciate you guys. Love y'all.